Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Disconnect Terminals is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components in countless electrical systems, providing a safe and efficient way to quickly isolate circuits for maintenance, troubleshooting, or equipment replacement without the need for extensive rewiring, making them indispensable for anyone working with complex electronics or machinery where reliability and speed are paramount for operational continuity and safety. Number 5. Wirefy 250 PCS Heat Shrink Spade Connector Kit. These connectors are designed for effortless mating and separation. They are perfect for applications where you need to connect and disconnect frequently. Crafted from high-quality copper and featuring heat shrink tubing with an adhesive lining, these terminals ensure a reliable connection. They crimp, shrink, and seal exceptionally well. With double barrels, they provide exceptionally strong crimps. The heat shrink tubing's adhesive securely glues to the wire insulation, preventing any slippage and enhancing tensile strength. This comprehensive kit contains 250 heat shrink male and female spade connectors. They are designed to fit a wide range of wire sizes, from 22 to 10 AWG. For your peace of mind, all of these electrical connectors are backed by our best-in-class lifetime warranty. What we like. This kit offers quick disconnects with professional-grade heat shrink and adhesive lining. Its double barrels ensure strong crimps that won't slip. If you need reliable, sealed connections for frequent use across various wire gauges, this versatile kit is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Wirefy Heat Shrink Piggyback Spade Connectors. Easily split your electrical connections into 3 distinct paths. These innovative connectors simplify complex wiring tasks, making your projects more efficient. Featuring marine-grade heat shrink tubing, it shrinks to 1/3 of its original size. A heat-activated adhesive then seals the connection, protecting it from harsh elements. These terminals are designed with double crimp barrels, ensuring exceptionally strong and reliable connections. Your wires will remain firmly in place, preventing accidental disconnections. Ideal for electrical components that require frequent disconnection and reconnection. They provide a fast and secure way to manage your wiring needs. Every electrical connector from this brand is backed by an industry-leading lifetime warranty. You can trust in their quality and durability for years to come. What we like. These connectors uniquely allow for easy 3-way wire splitting. They feature marine-grade heat shrink for ultimate protection against the elements. If you're working on boat wiring or outdoor applications needing a split and sealed connection, these piggyback terminals are ideal. What people say. The terminals offer robust construction for lasting performance. They provide a secure and efficient electrical connection. Number 3. Chanzon Heat Shrink Spade Connectors Kit. Introducing the Chanzon Heat Shrink Spade Connectors Kit. This versatile kit provides quick disconnect solutions for various wire gauges, perfect for your electrical wiring needs. This kit includes a wide assortment of red, blue, and yellow male and female connectors. They are designed to fit a broad range of cable sizes, from 10 to 22 AWG. Crafted from pure, thicker copper, these connectors ensure superior conductivity and lasting durability. A tin coating protects them from oxidation, ensuring a reliable connection every time. Rest assured with UL-listed and IATF 16946 certifications. These ensure the product meets stringent safety standards and high-quality automotive industry requirements. Further certified by CE, REACH, and SGS, these connectors meet global health, environmental, and safety regulations. They have undergone rigorous testing for your peace of mind. Designed for harsh environments, these heat shrink terminals create a waterproof seal upon heating. This makes them ideal for marine, automotive, and other outdoor applications. What we like. This kit stands out with its UL-listed and IATF 16946 certifications, ensuring top-tier safety and quality. Its pure copper, tin-coated construction offers superior conductivity and durability. If you require connectors for critical automotive or marine applications where robust, waterproof connections and high standards are paramount, this product provides peace of mind. What people say. Number 2. TICONN 200 PCS Nylon Spade Quick Disconnect Connectors Kit. Experience superior electrical connections every time. These connectors feature thick brass, ensuring strong, secure crimps with minimal voltage drop. They deliver high current flow and generate less heat, preventing common wiring issues. Durability is key for reliable connections. Each terminal is crafted with thick tinned brass, providing excellent corrosion resistance. This design ensures the wire is held tightly and securely once crimped. Quickly identify the right connector for your project. This kit includes red, blue, and yellow nylon spade connectors, each color indicating a different gauge size. They are suitable for a wide range of wire AWG from 22 to 10. Compliant with all electrical standards, these connectors are perfect for diverse applications. Whether you're working on your vehicle, home, or a scientific project, they ensure every bond is correct and secure. We are committed to the quality of our products. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, simply contact us. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty for risk-free shopping. What we like. Featuring premium quality thick brass and durable nylon insulation, these connectors ensure strong, secure crimps. They provide minimal voltage drop and high current flow. If you prioritize long-lasting, corrosion-resistant connections for both home and automotive projects, this kit delivers consistent, high-performance results. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract any points as the source is empty. Number 1. Baomain 1-4 Insulated Female Spade Terminals. These terminals provide a secure crimp connection. Their insulated PVC sleeve ensures safe and reliable electrical connections, compatible with 16 to 14 AWG wires. They are crafted from tin-plated copper for optimal conductivity and corrosion resistance. The PVC insulation also effectively prevents short circuits. Installation is incredibly easy. Simply strip your wire, insert it, crimp it with a standard tool, and secure it for a permanent connection. With a standard 0.25-inch, 6.3 mm width, they fit most male spade terminals of the same size. These are ideal for automotive, appliance, and various DIY electrical projects. Each pack includes 100 blue insulated female spade connectors. This generous quantity ensures you have enough for multiple wiring needs. What we like. This value pack offers 100 insulated female spade terminals, made of tin-plated copper for optimal conductivity. Their PVC insulation ensures safe and reliable electrical connections. If you need a straightforward, cost-effective solution for standard 16 to 14 AWG wiring in appliances or DIY electrical projects, these provide easy and secure connections. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.